Hello everyone, you are welcome in the online platform of TAPS, and this is Govind Jha. I am just present here with the third video of this chapter, and it is for class 6 mathematics, and the chapter first, the name of the chapter is knowing our numbers. You must be watching, and it is from NCERT. So you must be you must have read out my two videos which I have just made out. If you have not seen, you must visit there and you just see what I have just done. The first chapter was about the introduction, which topics I had to just cover. I have just made for that. And the second video, it was started the topic, and there I just discussed about the number system, and you must be just knowing there I just discussed about the Roman number system and the Hindu Arabic system. Now it's the third video of this chapter, and the topic is making numbers by using digits. So let us have a look and just have a patience. How I am just going to make a number by the using digits, and what are the digits which all are given here. You must be watching. 3 digits I am having, that is 9, 1 and 2. And what to do here? I have to just make a number by using these all digits. So first I will go for how many numbers can be made through using these all digits, 3 digits I mean to say. So let us have a look. I am just going to make first what to do. You just select any one of the digit from this given digit. So obviously 1 is the smallest one here, so I will take 1 and I will write here 1 at first. So 1 we have to just keep it constant, and then after that 1, what are the left digits? That is 2 and 9. So either 2 you place just at second position and 9 later, or you can just place 9 at first and 2 later, and 1 is fixed, so 1 will be at first position. So by that way you see, now you can see 2 numbers I have just made, and these are 129, and the another number is 192, and you can see the digits which all are used here to make this number, that is what? 1, 2 and 9. So 2 numbers I have made. Now you see what many numbers can be made through using these all digits. So first I kept 1 constant, I just changed the position of 2 and 9. So now what to do? After 1 you just take 2 and you just keep the position of 2 constant. So you write here 2, you write here 2. Then after that, if you take 2, then what are left? 1 and 9. So you write here 1 and you write here 9. You can write 9 here and 1 here. So by this way also you see now 2 numbers are formed. And the number is what? 219, and the another number is what? 291. So you must be watching. Till now I have just got 4 numbers. And these all are different numbers by the digits are, but the digits are what? Same. This is the what I say. Attractive, what I say. So you just see now numbers to 4 numbers I have just already made. Now I will check for further. Can we just make more numbers? Yes. Now you see 1 I kept here constant. Here 2 I just kept constant. Now one more digit which is left, that is 9. So I will keep 9 as a constant. Okay, and then after that 9 you see what are the left digits, that is 1 and 2. So I will write here 1 and then after that 2. Sir, you could have written 2 here. Yes, I could have written here 2 and 1 I will write later on. Then after that the number will be. So now you see again 2 numbers are formed. They are different, but the digits which are used to make these all numbers, you must be getting what? These all are same, 9, 1 and 2. You can see. So these are 6 numbers which I have just made by the using these all 3 digits. So such kind of numbers questions will be asked to you. Digits will be given and you will have to make a number. So this is a first kind of number formation by the using digits. What are the possibilities to make a numbers and how many numbers can be made? This is one kind of questions in class 6 you will be getting. From this topic one more questions can be asked, and what will be the questions? I can through this example only I will make. You see, suppose these are digits and you are asked by the using these 3 digits only, you have to make the greatest number and you have to make the smallest number of 3 digit. So how to do? You just let us have a look, and just I am making, you just pay attention. So first question will be what? I have to just make a greatest number. Greatest can be said as a largest, biggest, it does not matter at all. So greatest is asked, you can write what? You see greatest number, what I will write, and then after that another question will be asked, that will be what? To lowest number, to write the lowest number, and lowest can be asked as what? least number, it can be said as a what? A smallest number. So how to make the lowest number and how to make the greatest number, you must be watching. I have just written, now just see what to do. Now what to do in these 3 digits, you just see which one is greater one. So obviously you are having 1, you are having 2 and you are having 9, and everybody knows this, out of 9, 1 and 2, which one is greater? You will say this, and from my side also this is the greater one only. So 9 is the greater one. So while writing, what to just keep in mind, you pay attention, while writing the greatest number, we have to just look for the digit which is greater there, and which it is given, that is the greatest one. So the greatest one digit is what? 9. So I will write first 9. Then after that, the second greater number is that what? That is 2. So I will write 2, and then after that the smallest one, and this is the last one, 1. So I will write 1. So by this way you see the number 921. And why I have made through this example, I will just tell you later. Just wait for a little bit time. Now you talk about the lowest number. So how to make a lowest number? And one more information I would like to just share here, convey here. What is that information? See, this is descending order also. So if you have to just write the number in just greatest number by the using digits, it is written in the descending order, so you can use descending order there. First the greater one will be there, then after that descending order will be followed. For making this lowest, you must pay attention. We have to just look for the smallest one digit, and which one is the smallest one? That is 1. So 1 will be that written at first. Then after that, compared to 1, which one is the second? Compared to 1, which one is greater there? 2, and after that 2, 9. So first I will write 2 here, and then after that I will write here what? 9. And you can see one number I have just got, that is 129, and it is the smallest one. I will check later it is the smallest one, or we could write the smallest one compared to this. So I will check. So you can see here the greatest number and the lowest number formation, how I have done that. One more example just I would like to share, but before that I must tell you, you see why did I take this example only to show the greatest and the smallest. You see, whatever numbers, what were the possibilities to make the numbers, these all are done here. So can you tell me this 921, can you find out of these numbers? Yes, it is here. And you see all the numbers. This is 129, this is 219, this is 291, this is 192, and this is 912, and this is 921, and this is the greater one or not? You see. So the greater one, our answer is what? Correct. So, and the lowest one you check, that is 129. According to me, I have just written, and here you check the smallest one is 129 or not? Yes, it is there. So for making greater one and the lowest one, we have to just follow the descending and the ascending order. You may get a problem while making the numbers, because here the 3 digits were given, and you have to make the numbers which will be used for 3 digits. So suppose anywhere, another example I am just taking, and the question it is there 1, then after that 9, then after that 0, and then after that 2, and we have to just make a greatest number by using these digits and the smallest number by using digit. So how to make that number? You see, here 0 was not come, but here 0 has come. So how to do such questions, how to deal such questions, you must pay attention. As I told you, to write the greater one, we have to select the greatest one. So this will be at a first position. 9 is the greater one here. So 9 will be written at first. Then after that, the whose number comes? This 2. So 2 will be written. Then after that 1. So 1. And at the last 0 will be there, because 0 is the smallest one here. So the greater number will be 9210. But if you write about the smallest one, you must pay attention what I told. I just told there to write the smallest digit in the beginning, and out of all these digits, if I ask for the smallest one, then what it will be? Your answer will be what? 0. So I should write 0 in the beginning. Then after that, what to do? Then after that 1 will be there. Then after that, what to do? 2 it is there, so 2 will be there. And then after that, at the last, the greater one is 9, so 9 will be at the last, and the number will be 0, 1 to 9. But what do you think? It's correct? No, I must tell you it's not correct. So why it's not correct? Because you see, there 4 digits were given, and you had to make the 4 digit numbers. So 4 digit numbers you had to make. So what to do? And here what I made, it is of 3 digits. So such kind of questions, when it will be given in front of you, don't be confused. If 0 is given in the questions, 0 will not be placed, 0 will never be placed in the beginning. Then sir, where we have to place 0 will be always placed after one digit. So except 0 you just find which one is the smallest one here, and except 0 if you talk about out of 1, 9, 0 and 2, except 0 if you talk about the smallest one, obviously your answer will be this. So first I will write here 1, then after that you place 0. Always you keep in mind, this is very important for you all. So after any digit, here 1 was the smallest one. Suppose if number digit will be given, digit will be 2, 0, 2, 3, 9 like that. Here the smallest one is after 0, that is 2. So 2 will be in the beginning and 0 will be the later on. Here 1 will be in the beginning, 0 will be later on, then after that 2, and then after that 9. Same pattern will be followed, and this is the smallest one number. So dear students, you have to just pay attention. Here are some questions I have done. It is not easy task to make all those questions. So you have to just see the videos and you have to apply in your daily life. Make the questions, solve the questions at home, and if you get any kind of problem, just you ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day, and just wait for the next video for this chapter.